This video is to educate merchants on how to make a pre-auth and ticket transaction using Tap to Pay on Android with iPOSgo. To understand this process better, let's break this video into two parts. First, we'll initiate a pre-auth transaction. Then, complete it with a ticket transaction. Let's start with the pre-auth transaction. First, click on the fan menu here and select Pre-auth. The amount you enter will be held temporarily until it is completed using a ticket transaction. Next, ask the customer to tap and hold their card at the back of the phone. Hold the card until the app says the card has been read successfully. Now, let's see how you can complete this transaction using a ticket. The ticket transaction is used to retrieve the amount that was held temporarily in pre-auth. Using a ticket, you can process that amount and complete the transaction. To do this, click on the fan menu here and select Ticket. Here, you will find the pre-auth transaction you just made. Select the transaction. If you wish, you can modify this amount and add tips to it as well. Once you click Proceed, the transaction will be processed. Thanks for watching.